Hi, welcome back to Ateeq Dental Care English. Dental plaque is a soft layer of bacteria which usually deposit after 6 to 8 hours of teeth brushing. But if we don't brush up our teeth for 24 hours or 48 hours, then this soft layer convert into a hard one, that is calculus or tartar. That is difficult to remove with simple soft toothbrush. We have to go to dentist to remove that hard concrete like tartar layer from our teeth, because this layer can lead to gum recession, bleeding from gums, bad breath, and cavities on our teeth. So we have to prevent the tartar layer from our teeth. The simple basic rule is brushing twice a day before going to bed at night and in the morning before the breakfast with a soft toothbrush. The technique is called as modified bass technique. Just place your brush over the gum line where gum and teeth meet at 45 angle and move from upward towards downward, from downward, just like this. Sweeping action is necessary to clean the whole surface of the teeth. Same in case of lower teeth, in opposite direction from lower to upper side at 45 angle. This technique has two important functions. One is cleaning of teeth and second is gum massage to improve the gum health, improve the blood circulation of the teeth. The most common site in our mouth where tartar deposit due to opening of the salivary ducts is inner side of lower anterior teeth and upper side of the first molar, buccal side of the first molar. So we have to give extra time on this site. At least 2 to 3 minutes of brushing is required to clean our oral cavity. And once a day, dental floss is also important to clean the surfaces between our teeth to prevent tartar deposition between our teeth surfaces, also called as interdental areas or embrasures or spillways. The most important thing, in spite of all these oral hygiene measures, is our toothpaste. The ingredients in the toothpaste also prevent tartar deposition. Always, whenever you go to market to buy a special toothpaste to prevent tartar, check the ingredients. Number one, zinc. Zinc citrate or zinc acetate is essential to prevent tartar deposition on our teeth. And second, pyrophosphate that inhibit crystallization of the tartar, maturation of the tartar, and stop the early hardening of the tartar. Another important is stannous fluoride that prevent bacterial count and tooth decay from our teeth. The triad of these three things is important to keep our mouth tartar free and cavities free. Number one, zinc. Number two, pyrophosphate. Number three, stannous fluoride. So always select a toothpaste which contains these three things to keep your mouth healthy, fresh and plaque free. Hopefully this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.